Hey foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for delicious recipes from Kenya, Jamaica, and around the world. Today we're making Mahamri, soft and fluffy Swahili beignets, so let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup warm coconut milk, 2 teaspoons instant yeast, 4 tablespoons sugar, half teaspoon ground cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons softened butter, and some oil for deep frying. I just added some instant yeast to my warm coconut milk. I am going to whisk that in and set that aside. Set your timer to 5 minutes to allow your yeast to foam in your coconut milk. In a large bowl, combine your flour, sugar, cardamom, and salt. Mix well. Then add in your softened butter and rub it into the flour until it's nice and crumbly. Now, because I have long fingernails, I'm just going to go ahead and put my gloves on and get ready to knead my dough. Your yeast and coconut milk should look something like this after you set it aside for the 5 minutes. Now you're going to add the butter and you're going to, why was I struggling? Anyways, add your butter and rub it into your flour until it's nice and crumbly, as I stated before. And then you're going to slowly add your warm coconut milk with instant yeast. You're going to mix and knead until soft elastic dough forms, and this should take about 8 to 10 minutes. Now right here, I'm going to share that I did not have, or it seemed as if there was not enough coconut milk, but it worked. So if this happens to you, if you follow the measurement and you realize there's not enough coconut milk, go ahead and add some more coconut milk until you get the right consistency in the dough. You can use creamed coconut, or you can go ahead and use just the coconut milk. I added the cream coconut and it came out perfect. Just stay until the end and you will see. Next, you're going to cover your dough and let it rest in a warm place for about an hour or until it doubles in size. You may place it in your oven with the light on or near your stovetop, which is what I'm doing to speed up the rising. Once the dough has risen, you are going to punch it down and divide it into 3 or 4 equal parts. Now you're going to lightly flour the surface you'll be working with, and then you're going to, like I said, roll the dough and divide it into 3 equal parts. You can roll it into a circle about 1/4 inch thick. You're going to cut each circle or each shape into 4 wedges or triangles and let them rest for another 10 to 15 minutes before frying. This helps them to puff beautifully. Heat your oil on medium-high, carefully drop in a few pieces at a time, fry until golden brown on both sides, about 1 to 2 minutes each. Look at that puff, perfectly golden, soft, and fragrant. You may serve your Mahamri warm with some chai or the classic way with coconut beans. They're also delicious as a light dessert with a sprinkle of powdered sugar. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Have you had Mahamri before? Don't forget to subscribe and share with your foodie friends. See you next time for more global flavors. Look at how puffy that is, and it's so soft. Yummy. Enjoy!